Hey guys, this is Boston. I'm back with another video. Today I would like to tell you how to install iOS 12 Gold Master version on your iPhone. So basically, if you're running the betas or running iOS 11.4.1, then follow my tutorial. And thanks for watching my video, guys. Let's hop onto the video. So all you have to do is you need to head on to the link in the description which I have posted below, and just open it and select your device right from here, whichever the device that you have, whichever the iDevice you have. Just go ahead and download the GM version, which means Gold Master. Some people might wonder what the Gold Master version is. It's simply an official version from Apple that you can be able to download it and get official. So it's just like simply it's a public version of official. Okay, so that's how we need to download here. In this case, I'm having an iPhone SE and I've downloaded the GM version. Let me show you guys that my iPhone. Okay, I know. Just close up and just click on that logo. And here is the most important thing, guys. Just in case if you don't want to lose your data, then simply while pressing shift, holding shift and then press on check for update, then you won't lose any data. And you need to press on the firmware that you have downloaded, that is the official version, which is like 168.366. Okay, this is the one you need to select it. And in this case, I've already downloaded it and open it. It's just ask you to update. Just go ahead and update it. That's how we need to do it. And for the people, you need to have if you're wondering that your device should have a fresh install, then simply click restore it. Okay, it will wipe everything that inside your device has, including everything. It will be like a fresh install, and think like as if your device is going to be like something new that you need to set up right from the beginning. So that's how we are going to do it, guys. And thanks for watching this video. This is Boston, and that's it. And I'm signing off. That's how we need to do it.